Good morning. We are at the base of Subway. What did you think of the descent?
It's gonna be really hard going back up.
Yeah, it's not easy. It's not, like, it's steep, but you never get the sensation that you're gonna fall, right?
No, you were there to get me.
Yeah, I wouldn't have caught you. Wow, the color down here, this is my third time. This is the best I've seen it. I don't plan to take a shot today because I've got Subway and I've got Archangel Falls.
But I want him to.
Yeah, she wants me to burn some film. But we'll see what the color's like around the falls. Kind of a leisurely start to the day since I don't have to catch Archangel in good light.
And I like to sleep in to 6 at least.
Yeah, she made me set the alarm for 6. So, things are a little bit easier now. We're at the base of the canyon. So we will meander upstream and see what the color's like at Subway. Pretty excited to see it again. It's been 4 years. Okay, so I always forget to look for this on the hike up. I did see it on the hike back on my second trip, I believe, but there's this big white slab of, I guess, petrified mud, mudstone, but it's got dinosaur tracks in it. And there's some, I guess you want to call them predators with the 3 fingers, and then there's some that are like flat-footed, I guess you're herbivores. And they're just massive. We'll hold a hand up for scale, but it's really cool. Maybe start looking for it 2.25 miles in if you have a GPS. But yeah, just so amazing. It's one of the many things to love about this hike. We've arrived at Archangel Falls and it's just so beautiful. This is, from here on out, this part of the hike just makes it all worth it. Color is a little bit better than what I've shot in the past. Not much though, but it's just so beautiful, it's tempting to shoot it. But I've got this little app on my phone that shows all my portfolio shots, and I pulled up my Archangel Falls shot, and I don't know, maybe this sounds conceited, but I'm just so happy with it. Just holding it.
So happy.
I don't know why I brought her, really, but yeah, I just, the color matches. I'm always worried that maybe I saturate it too much contrast, things like that, but just holding it up to the falls, it's pretty dead on. So even though it's so beautiful, I'm not gonna shoot it. We're gonna truck on to Subway itself, but I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the falls here. We'll do some B-roll. second to last of the kind of famous landmarks on the subway hike. The crack behind me, just such an amazing formation. A little bit tough to shoot because it's kind of just a straight line, but something I haven't got before. I'm worried it may have cooked a sheet of Velvia because when I flipped my, that's what I'm looking for, film holder, the dark slide was switched to the exposed side. So I don't know if I did that with the lens shut, which I'm thinking I did. So one of three things. I'm gonna have two okay shots. I'm gonna have one shot that's double exposed and the other blank, or, well, just really two scenarios. So hopefully it works out. I'm gonna pack up here, let these other people shoot, and head on up to Subway itself. What a beautiful day it is here. So much fun to see Subway. I mean, look at my face catching the glow that causes that distinctive Subway look. Met a lot of great photographers, just really good people. Luke and Bianca, hope I said that right, got engaged back there. We met them early this morning and he proposed.
Great couple.
In Subway. So what a meaningful proposal, and like he said, a good excuse to come back and visit it every so often. But as I said earlier with Archangel Falls, it's really hard to see these beautiful places and not photograph them, but I have to keep in mind that I have photographed these areas before. So to everyone that I have met on this trip, so we've got Luke, Bianca, Tony, Fink, and I'm leaving out a name. I'm so sorry, but for all you guys that have watched my channel and commented or introduced yourselves today, thank you so much. You guys are all great. Hope all your images turn out. We are going to grab some lunch and then head back. It's weird, I'm leaving earlier than I've ever left here before, so should get back in plenty of time, even while taking our time. So thanks for watching. I will throw in at the end of this video the hike out, because that's what most people worry about and ask about. So I'll try to show how steep that is, but what a great day. And Jennifer wants me to take a picture of her, so I'm gonna go do that. Be graceful. I'm videoing, I can't come help.